In this video, I will guide you how to confirm someone's identity when you apply online for a passport. So for example, you have applied passport and you have asked someone to confirm your identity. Then in that case, to confirm someone's identity, you usually receive this email. The email which you will receive will be from HM Passport Office. It says, "Dear reference number, His Majesty Passport Office needs someone to confirm identity for UK passport." What do you need to do? You need to go online to confirm the applicant's identity. It should not take less than 10 minutes. So for this, they will provide you a link. So once we come to this page where it says confirm someone identity, before you start, you will need your passport details. If the applicant is a child, you also need to confirm their place of birth, parent's name, and the year they were born. Start now. Once you click on this page, it will give you reference number. The reference number which I have received on the email. So I'll go back on my email and I'll copy this reference number without any space. I will put this reference number over here. Then the applicant date of birth. Continue. Then it says declaration. By continuing your confirm that the information you will give is correct, and HM Passport Office and Experian Credit can check these information. You can agree to these confirm. So click I agree, continue. Where is your passport from? I have a UK passport, I have an Irish passport, I do not have one of these. This must be current passport that has not expired or cancelled. So I have a UK passport. I'll click on this. Then it will ask my passport number, passport expiry, and my date of birth. Then the next question is your name, your first name, middle name, last name as written on your passport. The next question is your home address, your postcode first. When it says what happens next, we will ask you few questions to check you know the person making this application. We'll also show you a passport photo. If you are unable to confirm some details, please continue to the end. We'll look into any issues with the application. Click continue. Confirm these details. Person making this application, the name of the person. Relationship to the applicant is father because it's for the child. This is an application on behalf of this child. We need to confirm the person applying for has parental responsibility. So in that case, can you confirm these details are correct? Yes. Continue. How you know this person? Do you know them personally? For example, as a friend, neighbor, or colleague? Are you related to in a relationship with or living at the same address? How do you know him? How many years you have known them? And next question is this a true likeness of this person? Okay, so they will provide you an image, and if you obviously you need to make sure that you know that person. So you will say yes if you know them. Can you confirm they were born in this city? So you will mention so you will say yes. The next question is about the parents. So obviously they will give the parents detail, mother or parent one. So first name, last name, their year of birth. Can you confirm these details are correct? So obviously you know the parent, so you just need to make sure that their details are correct. And then they also provide you second name, second parent details, and you need to make sure their details are correct as well. Then next they will ask you about the applicant address. So they will provide you the address. You need to make sure that you know that the address is correct, because this is very crucial information. So make sure that you check everything. If you don't know the full address, answer to the best of your knowledge. So in this case, I know the address, so I'll click yes, continue. Then next question is your work. We need to confirm that you work in a recognized profession. So you need to enter the profession over here. And they also have the option for are you retired, yes or no. So we'll mention no. If you click on right click and you open this, so it will give you the list of confirm your the profession, which profession you can work. So all these professions which they have provided, this is what they are looking for. The professions which are not accepted are these. So if you're working in any of these professions, you must work in or be retired from recognized profession and know the applicant personally. So these are the professions they are looking for. Click continue. Then next question is your work details. So you need to provide your employer's name, your work address, town, and postcode. Then they ask you about your contact details. So they will ask you about your email address, confirm your email address, and your phone number. Once you've done that, you will get to this page which says details submitted. We let the applicant know this has been completed. You don't need to do anything else. We'll check the details you provided and contact you if we need further information. On my channel, I've created this video in which I have showed how you can apply your first British passport. I have also showed that how you can confirm your passport. So this video will help you if you wanted to apply for British passport.